You should watch this video if you're planning to buy a Redmi Note 13 Pro because in this video I'll tell you a serious problem that some people are facing after buying this phone. Redmi Note 13 Pro is the first Redmi phone to come with a 1.5K resolution display, in-display fingerprint scanner, a Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 CPU. However, it is also the first phone to come with very cheap hardware quality. The problem that I'm going to talk about in this video started with Redmi Note 13 models and now it have also started happening in Redmi Note 13 Pro phones. Basically, the problem is that the phone has charging problems. So whenever you are connecting the phone to the charger for making it a full charge, the phone automatically stops charging and then it reconnects by itself. This is clearly seen in this video here, and lots of people who purchased Redmi Note 13 and Redmi Note 13 Pro are facing this problem now. So there can be three reasons why this charging problem is happening. The first reason is that the quality control at the factory was very bad and the charger that's used in this phone could be of very low quality. The second reason is that there could be some problem with the fast charging chip which is making this issue to happen. And the third reason is that there could be some software issue with MIUI that could be making this to happen because the charging animation is repeating itself again and again, as you can see in these videos that I had shown. As of now, the only solution is going to service center and showing this problem to them. So what the service center people are doing is that they are replacing the entire charging area, including the charging port. As this issue is becoming more widespread, I don't know how the service center people will start reacting to this problem. So as far as now, this is the only problem that's being reported apart from heating while gaming and occasional hangs in the low RAM variant. If you are facing any other kinds of problems on Redmi Note 13 or Redmi Note 13 Pro or even Pro Plus models, please feel free to mention them in the comment section and I'll help you out as I can.